Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another episode of academic typesetting using LaTeX. We have studied many different options of LaTeX. In today's class, we will understand one important facility in LaTeX, that is bibliography. Bibliography is a common component in almost all standard textbook, research papers, technical reports, and almost all standard writings, blogs, and all consists of bibliography. A bibliography lists all the references used to create a piece of writing. This includes everything you used in the creation of the work, even if you didn't cite it in the body of the writing itself. In general, bibliography should include the author's name, the title of the work, the names and location of the companies that published your copies of the sources, the dates your copies were published, the page numbers of your source if they are part of the multi-source volumes, etc. Different parameters should be given when referring to books, articles, and websites. As we see in this presentation, here at the end part of your article, you can see a section called references. After that, you can see a list of resources that they have used to prepare this document. It is listed in different format. Here in this example, they have used Arabic numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But you can also see different options to list references. Students are taught that a bibliography along with correctly formatted in-text citations is crucial to properly citing one's research and to avoid accusations of plagiarism. In formal research, all sources used, whether quoted directly or synopsized, should be included in the bibliography. There are different referencing styles available like MLA, Chicago, IEEE, APA, etc. Each publisher follows any one of the standard styles like this. You can manage your references and bibliography in LaTeX using the BibTeX system. BibTeX allows you to automatically generate the format a bibliography in a LaTeX document. You can also do this by storing the entire references in a separate BibTeX database file. In this class, we will discuss the management of bibliography. Bibliography is the environment which helps the author to cross-reference one publication from the list of sources at the end of the document. LaTeX helps authors to write a well-structured bibliography. Also, it is very easy to convert the style of bibliography to that of publisher's requirement without touching the code inside the bibliography. To produce bibliography, we have the environment, the bibliography. That is the basic environment in the LaTeX system. You have to learn some other concept also, BibTeX. It is a bibliographic tool that is used with a LaTeX to help organize the user's reference and create bibliography. A BibTeX user creates a bibliography file that is separate from LaTeX source file with a file extension of .bib. We will explore all about this in the next episode. So while preparing the articles, we can extract the needed references in the required style from this database. Harvard, NatLib are widely used packages for generating bibliography. In this episode, we will also explore about the NatLib package. So a reference list really just the bibliography list of bib items. Let us see what does it mean. Which means to produce the bibliography, we have the environment, the bibliography, which is similar to the enumerate environment in the LaTeX. And here we use the command bib item to separate the entries in the bibliography and use /cite to refer the specified entry from this list in the document. By default, the bibliography environment is a numbered list with labels 1, 2, 3, etc. If the document class used this article, then the begin bibliography automatically inserts a numberless section heading with the title references. If the document class is book or report, then a numberless chapter heading with the bib name is inserted. By default, the value is bibliography. Each bib item takes a site key as its parameter, which you can use with cite command followed by information about the reference entry itself. See this example. This will clarify all your doubts. Here you can see begin the bibliography command and end bibliography command. Within this environment, different bib item entries are there. Each bib item entry specifies each reference that is to be included in your article or book. The begin bibliography command requires an argument that indicates the width of the widest label in the bibliography. We will come to that later. In the first bib item, you can see textbook. This is the key. Against this key, we are giving the details of the book or the reference we are specified in the source document in the article. So which means in this example, I am giving Lambert 94 as the key against the details of the referred book, Leslie Lambert 1994. In a specified format, I am listing all these things. Like this, I can give number of references using bib item command. So each entry in the environment should start with a bib item. If this is the source code, please note that the argument passed is 9. If we compile the previous code, you will get output like this. 9th, Leslie Lambert, Donald Knuth, Franklin Mittelbach, like that. All bib items that we included in the article are listed like this. If you have more than 10 entries, the numerical labels in the list start to get misaligned. See this 9, 10, 11. These are not properly aligned. So in order to get proper alignment, if you have more than 9 entries in the reference, you can give argument as 99. The begin the bibliography 99 instead, which means you can use any 2-digit number in the argument. Since all numerals are the same width, if you are using customized labels, put the longest label in the argument. While using 99 here, you will get a properly aligned list. See this, after 9, 10, 11 are properly aligned, right, justified. So this is the output of the previous code. Now you see the list of references in the reference section. In bibliography, numbering of the entries is generated automatically. You may also add a note to your citation such as page number, chapter number, etc. by using optional arguments to the cite command. And this is about the bibliography environment. Then how do I cite these entries in the bib item? Using the cite command. In the content part of the document, I use /cite command and the key which we use in the bib item to map or to refer a particular entry in the reference section. I can use multiple keys. So you might have seen more than one citations are given to a particular sentence. The key is used to cite the publication within the document text. Now let us see an example. Here you have an article document. The title is Semanticism in Moving Object. You can see the author, you can see the name of the author, date and all. And there is a sample paragraph written in the text. This is a one-page document. And if you closely watch the output, you can see that different citations are there. See this? In this sentence, the abstraction of semantic trajectory is first introduced by Specca-Pietra. And you can see digit 4 within the square bracket. This is a citation. And if you go towards the end, there is another citation. The intersection based smart, you can see 3,1, which means I am giving a reference to two documents, 3, 1. All these 1, 2, 3, all these documents are listed in the reference section. See, if you see 3 and 1, you can see these This is the reference to that particular section. And different types of citations are there. Here I am using single reference, and in this part I am using two references. Then let us see how this is achieved using LaTeX documentation. If you clearly watch in the source document, see, this is the part of citation. Here I am using the cite command /cite Specca Pietra 2008 concepted. What is this /cite? Here, as we just discussed, there is an environment called the bibliography. Within the bibliography section, I am giving all the bib items. So one bib item corresponds to one referenced document, the document which I referred to prepare my article. There, like that, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 references. And if you closely watch at the bib item, you can see this is the /bib item command. After that, within the braces, there is a key. See this /bib item Specca Pietra 2000 conceptual. This is the key. This is the key to this particular reference. After that, I am giving the name of authors in a specific format, and all the entries, title of the document, year of publication, page number, all these are given within this bib item. And how do I refer this particular bib item? See, remember the key is Specca Pietra 2008 conceptual. So in the source document, while compiling the content, I am giving /cite Specca Pietra 2008 conceptual. While compiling the LaTeX source document, what happens is this /cite is replaced with the corresponding number. See this, 4. And if I refer this particular item in the source document, that will be included in the reference section. Now we will see a useful package, Natlib. The Natlib package is widely used for generating bibliography. Using this package, you can create more options, more different styles in bibliography. The Natlib package is a re-implementation of the LaTeX cite command to work with both author, year and numerical citations. It is very much compatible with the standard bibliography style files such as plain.bst, etc. So Natlib is a package for customizing citations when using BibTeX. It is also compatible with the standard bibliography styles such as Harvard, APA-like, Chicago, Astron, Astrodate and Natlib. In order to use a package in the LaTeX document, you have to specify the name of the package in the preamble section. So here we are specifying the name of the package, Natlib, in the use package command. If your system doesn't have such a command and the system is connected to internet, it will automatically download the Natlib package from the appropriate repository. Here we are also specifying the bibliography style. This is the syntax of specifying that style name. Here you specify the name of the style. And in the bibliography environment, you simply give the bibliography bib file. We will see an example for proper understanding. There are many options for Natlib package. If you are specifying the option as around, it will give around parenthesis in the reference citation. And if you are specifying the option as square, it will give you square brackets. Likewise, you have number of options, sort and compress, etc. This is the basic structure of using Natlib package in a source document. Within the preamble section, you give the name of the package /use package Natlib, then citation style like nature, then begin the document, end the document, and before the end document you might have the reference section. Here you specify the bibliography environment. In the previous example, we have seen the use of /cite command. In the content part of the document, we specify the key to cite a particular item in the bib item list. Similarly, in the Natlib package, you have different options of citation. If you specify /cite t, and specifying the key, it will give a structure like this in the source part, Alex et al., and within the parenthesis year of publication. And if it is like this /cite in square bracket chapter 4, it will give you the name of the author and year of publication, comma, chapter 4. Like, you have number of different options. If you are simply specifying the /cite p and key, then it will simply give you the name of the author, Alex et al., comma, 1991 within the parenthesis. So according to the requirement of the publisher, you can use any of the citation options. And we are not going to explain each and every items. You can explore it yourself. And coming to multiple citations, NatLib also supports multiple citations. It may be made as usual by including more than one citation key in the cite argument. There are situations where for a particular argument or for a particular sentence, you have to refer more than one document. Then you can simply separate each key by using comma. Here in this example, see /cite p ALE 91, RAV 92. So which means two different documents are cited over here. There are different modes in NatLib package. This is the numerical mode. Here these examples are for author year citation mode. In numerical mode, the results are different. Here if you are in numerical mode, if you are specifying the /cite t, it will give you Alex et al. In square bracket the number. This is another option. Here you are suppressing something as an alternative form of citation. /cite alt is same as /cite t, but without any parenthesis. Similarly, if I am using /cite alp or /cite p with the parenthesis turned off. See, in this example, I am using /cite alt and the key in the bib item. There will not be any parenthesis. So these are different options available in NatLib package. Coming to partial citation, in author year scheme, it is sometimes desirable to be able to refer to the authors without the year or vice versa. This is provided with the extra commands. See this example, cite author and the key. Here the name of the author is already listed. There is no year specified in the citation part. And see another example, cite year key. Only year is specified. No name of author is given. So we can say it is an example for partial citation. Coming to citation aliasing. Sometimes one want to refer to a reference with a special designation rather than by the authors, like paper 1, paper 2, etc. There comes the use of citation aliasing. So such citation aliasing can be used textually or using the command def cite alias. So here we are defining the alias. For a particular bib item JON90, we are creating an alias as paper 1. So what happens is these citation commands functions much like /TET and /CiteTEP. They may take multiple keys in the argument. So if you give /cite alias ALE91 in the paper, it will give you paper 1 instead of the author year and all. And likewise, you can aliasing the references in the source document. Dear friends, by that we are concluding this session. We have learned so many options in bibliography package. I hope you understand all these things. The bib item is very much important, and in the next episode we will explore how the bibliography can be moved to separate database that is very convenient for you while creating multiple articles for publication. By that we are concluding today's session. Thank you.